Here's a great deal on a 2008 Buick Lucerne. This four-door sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.